How's it going, guys? Chris from pwrusertech here. I just wanted to let you guys know this is going to be an unboxing video for my XS Max. I had it planned out in a way that I would shoot some footage on my old iPhone 10 and then let you guys compare it. But unfortunately, that video or whatever that I shot didn't get backed up, and I had to trade in the phone to get this new one. So I apologize if there's some context issues, but I'm going to be creating a lot more content from this new phone because the camera, in my opinion, is a little bit better, good enough to be used for my content creation. I also don't have enough money to buy a big camera setup like how I want. But anyways, enjoy the video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you at the end. Alright, so here we have the iPhone XS Max in space gray. Last time I had the silver, thought I want to try this color. It's 256 because I do take a lot of photos and videos. I also got the red leather case because I want to match my theme. I am upgrading because the iPhone XS camera was not that great, and I found myself struggling to take photos on a regular basis. Beforehand, I knew that it wasn't worth the upgrade for me at the time, but the slight improvement in camera honestly is what pushed me to do this because I really want to create more content for you guys. So just like every other Apple unboxing experience, it went by really smoothly. Except this time I had a little bit of bad luck restoring from my backup on my laptop. I still don't think cloud is the best way to go with these iPhone backups to restore, because you're going to need to be plugged into your charger and on a good Wi-Fi for everything to download within a reasonable amount of time. Good luck if you have anything more than 100 gigs of data on your iCloud backup. It is not guaranteed that's going to be ready to go by the next morning. So I still suggest that people use their laptops whenever possible to back up their iPhones before they go and upgrade. That way you can walk out of the store with a working phone. You just plug it in, restore, and away you go. So I think I already got the backup restore process started at this point. I'm just taking off the plastic wrap, about to put the red leather case. Let me just say that this leather case definitely feels better than the last generation. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the leather or the way it's formed, but it feels good and it matches the pwrusertech theme, which I'm really happy about. I don't like going for bulky cases just because it's already a big phone, and adding a bulky case is just going to make it ugly. So this time I decided to go only with the leather. On my iPhone 10, I did have a second case that had a kickstand, which I will miss for watching YouTube and stuff at my desk, but I'll sacrifice it just so I can have a sleeker phone. So we're gonna go get some food, but we're not done yet. As you can see, we had some trouble restoring it. So at least you get to hear some more audio from the iPhone 10 before we switch over fully. How's it going, guys? This is now on my iPhone XS Max. It is morning here, so the light is pretty harsh. Last night, the setup kind of took a while, and then it was daylight savings time, so it got really dark, so I couldn't really test it under similar conditions as yesterday. But my first impression is that the exposure is better, and there's more detail, and the skin tone is not as weird on this phone than it was on the 10. For some reason the 10 was making me look a little orange, but then again it could be just the light at that time, which was like starting to get towards sunset. So anyways, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you like the video quality, and make sure to listen to the audio as well. It's going to be a different experience on the XS Max or the XS in general because of the new microphone setup. It's going to be both on the left and the right. So yeah, what do you guys think?